What's up, everybody? Let's talk about one of the smartest moves you can make as a creator right now. If you are still grinding away, waiting to hit those YouTube Partner Program metrics, I have some good news for you. You do not have to sit around waiting for YouTube to permit you to turn your attention into income. I am currently using SKOOL as a core pillar of my monetization strategy. It allows me to build a sustainable income directly from my channel, completely independent of ad revenue. In this video, I am breaking down exactly how it works, the honest pros and cons, and how you can leverage it for your own brand. The YouTube monetization trap. If you are building an audience here on YouTube, you already know how the game works. Views are incredible, and subscribers are great, but views alone do not always translate into bankable income fast enough. Relying purely on AdSense means you are at the mercy of the algorithm, fluctuating CPMs, and strict monetization thresholds. As a leadership coach and author, my focus has always been on creating deep value. That is exactly why I fell in love with SKOOL. It gives me a structured way to build a real community around my content. Instead of just collecting passive viewers, it allows me to build a dedicated ecosystem. When people truly connect with your message on YouTube, you want to give them an obvious, impactful place to go next. For me, that next step is my SKOOL community, Affirm Your Greatness. What SKOOL actually is. Now, a lot of people look at SKOOL and assume it is just another basic forum or a glorified Facebook group, but it is fundamentally different. SKOOL acts as an all-in-one powerhouse for creators. Inside a single dashboard, you get access to several core features. The community feed, a clean, distraction-free space where members can post questions, share wins, and interact without the noise of traditional social media. The classroom, this is where you host your digital courses, workshops, or video libraries. It replaces the need for expensive, separate course hosting platforms. The calendar, a built-in schedule where members can see upcoming live Q&A sessions, community calls, or workshops. Member profiles and gamification. Every user gets a personalized profile that tracks their participation and standing in the community. Instead of forcing your audience to navigate a messy web of different links, everything lives under one roof. Your audience discovers you on YouTube, jumps into your SKOOL community, engages with your courses, and attends your live events. They stop being passive consumers and actually become part of an active network. Why it works for small channels. Here is the real reason I advocate for this model. It completely flips the script on how we value a YouTube channel. You do not need 100,000 subscribers to make a full-time income when you have a direct relationship with your core audience. When someone subscribes to your channel, they are giving you a passing nod. But when they join your SKOOL community, the relationship goes significantly deeper than a standard like or comment. Your YouTube content serves as the discovery tool to bring people through the front door, while SKOOL serves as the living room where you keep them engaged. This gives you total control, immense flexibility, and genuine peace of mind as a business owner. You are no longer stressing over whether an algorithm change will impact your livelihood. The secret weapon, built-in gamification. One of the most brilliant aspects of SKOOL is how it inherently rewards community engagement. It has a built-in gamification system where members earn points, unlock levels, and climb leaderboard placements simply by being active and helpful. It sounds like a simple feature, but it is incredibly powerful. Human beings naturally love progress, recognition, and seeing their names move up a leaderboard. This mechanic keeps your community thriving organically. Instead of you having to log in every single hour to spark conversations, your members end up driving the value themselves because they want to participate and level up. The honest breakdown, pros and cons. To give you an honest perspective, let's look at exactly what SKOOL gets right and where it falls short. Platform overview. The strengths, pros, consolidates community, courses, calendars, and payments in one place. Exceptionally clean, intuitive user interface for members. drives organic engagement through built-in gamification, enables reliable monetization completely outside of traditional YouTube ads. The limitations, cons. Highly structured user interface, offers very limited custom branding and design control. It is not a magic button, it requires an active audience or an organic traffic source to convert well. Lacks advanced marketing tools like native email funnels or complex upselling mechanics. There is a flat monthly fee to host a group, which requires an initial commitment. If you are a creator who demands complete visual customization, custom CSS, or a deeply unique branded appearance, you might feel a bit boxed in by SKOOL's uniformity. Furthermore, it works best when people already have a baseline of trust in you. If your audience is entirely cold, you will need to put in the foundational work to showcase the value of your community. But honestly, that is a standard rule for any healthy business model. Maximizing income, the SKOOL affiliate program. Even with those few limitations, SKOOL remains one of the absolute best options for creators who want to build a real ecosystem. YouTube is unmatched for discovery, but it should never be your single point of failure or your only stream of income. There is another massive monetization angle here that you should not overlook, the SKOOL affiliate program. When you start a community on SKOOL, you are automatically eligible to participate in it. Affiliate network. If other creators see what you are doing, love the setup, and decide to launch their own SKOOL communities through your link, you earn a 40% recurring commission for the lifetime of their subscription. This means you can monetize your channel in two parallel ways, directly through your own paid community membership, and indirectly by recommending the platform to fellow creators who want to follow in your footsteps. Call to action. If you are ready to monetize smarter, foster deeper relationships with your audience, and stop waiting around for the YouTube Partner Program to validate your hard work, SKOOL is absolutely worth your consideration. It is clean, it is simple, and it is incredibly powerful when paired with an active YouTube channel. I have placed the link directly in the description box below so you can take a look, explore the platform, and see how it fits into your creative business model. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more strategy breakdowns, and I will see you all in the next video.